So today we are seeing how we're going to landscape inside so we can actually do the flooring if possible. Let's see how we can balance the whole floor up. See, the floor is wobbly. So we're trying to get the level of this line. No, this line for the floor. So we have a lot of digging to do. A lot of digging. So at the end of the day we hope to achieve level ground. Go deeper in the concrete so that concrete can move at least ½ inch if possible. So this is the view of the workshop. Yeah, building is going on. So today is flooring, facing the flooring, balancing sand, landscaping. At the end of the day, we're using the concrete flooring. Yeah, so work is about to start. Maximum effort. Okay, flooring is completed, so we'll just wait it out to dry. So this we achieve what we're looking for. So tomorrow we should have a little strength. Leave it for a day or two till it dries up. Then we'll focus on the outer part, that is sanding, smoothing and painting. After that, every other thing will come later when we start. But for now, flooring and workbench will be coming here very soon. So thanks for all your support. Tech Engineering out.